What's up guys, I will show you in this video how to solve and fix that issue that you have on your game easy and quick. You need to open the settings of your phone. Click on your apps option and search for your game and click. Guys, after that you should scroll down this list, click storage and click clear cache. Right now back, click on force stop and click OK. You move to Play Store or App Store and update your game, restart here your phone, and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.